I talk too much. I talk way too much. All right, I'm gonna show you my outfit. Ugh, taking my jacket off. And I'm gonna tell you a funny story from yesterday. So, first and foremost, let's turn this bad boy around. Another rainy day in New York. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is my, doesn't really go with my shoes, considering like my shirt is like a tank and my shoes are rain boots. And I got my Bruce Willis jacket on again. You know how that be. Oh, this is, okay, so let me tell you, I'll tell you while this is on. So yesterday I was gonna wear, let me turn it this way. So yesterday I was gonna wear fake lashes because I did a whole eyeshadow look. And I looked at my lashes that I had, like, that I reused, and I was like, oh, they don't really look that good. Let me throw them out. So I threw them out, and I guess they got caught to the top of the lid. I don't know if I'm telling the story, like, in a good sequence, because I feel like I'm giving it away. But, so they got, like, stuck to, like, the top of the garbage thing in the bathroom. So, at one point, I had to, like, throw out a tissue or something, so I was, like, blowing my nose, and I lifted up the thing, and whatever, and then I was going to go put my shoes on, and for some reason, I was like, oh, something's, like, on my foot. And I lifted up my foot and I saw that it looked like a huge caterpillar. It was like this big on my foot. And I started freaking out. Like, I want to turn the camera to show you how I was freaking out. I literally started doing this. And my husband was like, what is going on? I was like, there's something on my foot. There's something on my foot. And I was just kicking my foot up like this. And he's like, can you just stop? Let me look at your foot. And I was like, oh yeah, there's something there. And I was like rubbing it on like the floor mat. And then I picked up my foot and he's like, there's literally nothing on your foot. And I was like, oh my God. And then I saw it on the floor mat. Let me turn again. It was my eyelash that I had thrown out. So you know how like they look like caterpillars sometimes? And I don't know if I ever said this before, but I have an actual fear of caterpillars. It's really weird. I think it's because I grew up in Yonkers and like I don't really remember seeing caterpillars. And when I moved up to Mayapack, I remember like texting my husband one day and I was like, there's this like big white hairy bug and it looks like the Loch Ness Monster and like I don't really know. And then like I think like he's like, I don't know what you're talking about. And like a few weeks later, I think I took a picture of it maybe and sent it to him. And I was like, this is the scary bug I was talking about. And he's like, that's a caterpillar. And I was like, ugh. And then on our honeymoon, my sister had organized this thing where our bridal party chipped in and we got to go camping where we met at Strawberry Park. Thanks, Candace. Because she's the reason I met my husband, Candace, obviously. But so they organized this thing for us to go there and we happened to go at like caterpillar season. Not a joke. Caterpillars were falling from the trees onto like our grill, like so we could like, you know, like our fire pit grill. So we couldn't like cook anything. They were everywhere. Like, I exaggerate, no exaggeration. I think I'm under exaggerating how much the caterpillars took over like the campsite we were at. It was ridiculous. And I actually have a fear of caterpillars. And so, yeah. And I love butterflies, but that's just me. Look how bad my nose looks. Sometimes in lighting, it looks so bad. Oh, I have to remember to film far away. It looks so bad. It's like so bad over here. Anyway, I think I've said this before. I hit my face when I was little, and I had to get stitches over here. Almost lost my eyeball. Me and my sister were like playing tag, running around the house, waiting for Kara and Jess to come over and their family. I think it was my dad's birthday, and I was in like, I don't know, first grade. And I face planted. My foot got caught in a blanket that was draped on my bed, and I face planted into the corner of a shoe rack. So it was kind of like a corner like this. And literally it was like, bing. And my parents didn't let me see it, so I have no idea what it looked like. I don't know, but they like flew a plastic surgeon in to fix it so that like I wouldn't have a scar. And like I don't have a scar, but I swear, I know I've said this before, but I swear that it broke my nose. Because I look back at pictures and I'm like, I don't think I had this nose when I was little. And then like years later, I was playing softball and I was playing second base, which I never play. And a ball took a bad hop, like on like a rock. It was like a rocky field because, you know, like it's just recreational. And it took like a bad hop and it went bang right into my glasses that were on my face. And I remember I got like black and blues over here. So I don't know. There's a lot of things. One time I kneed myself in the face accidentally. Like there's a lot of reasons why I feel like my nose might be broke. Anyway, that's my story. I love you guys. I have to get changed and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.